god. Ernie, hello. Oh wow, it's really obvious in this light. Hello, YouTube. I just spent an hour and a half putting in this contact lens, and like you can tell in this lighting, but in natural lighting my eye looks virtually the same because I put in a hazel contact and my eyes are brown, so like almost looks the exact same. Whew. So today I am going to be doing like a little, oh, my hair looks so gross. I'm gonna be doing like a little like Halloween get ready with me. I have my sangria, not in a wine glass because I don't know why, I'm just not classy enough, I guess. So I'm planning on going to a Halloween party, but my anxiety might say otherwise. Okay, so I did have different makeup on this morning. I spent like 10 minutes on it and I wasn't quite pleased with the results. And I think I kind of want to do like a skeleton type look. I was like really into this like 20 minutes ago until it took me 45 minutes to put in this one stupid contact. I could only get one in. So, I don't know. I've been scouring Pinterest for ideas. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to do something skeleton. Ooh, like this. This girl looks really cool. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but y'all are going to be here with me, so enjoy the ride. I'm probably going to try to cut this down pretty short because if you haven't noticed, I haven't posted it in a week.
Oh my god, crazy, wow.
A little while ago, I posted this updates video that like said, oh, I'm going to be posting twice a week, every single week. Huh. Yeah, I was going to be doing that, but then I realized that apparently the quality of my videos that I've been filming have been going downhill a little bit. I mean, understandable if I'm trying to get out a lot of content, like mass produce. It's not gonna be my best quality content. So basically what I've decided now is that I should probably try a little thing called quality over quantity. Basically, I'm going to be posting less now. I'm just kind of going to be posting like whenever I have a video because coming up with random ideas has not been working out for me. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but my last few videos have been kind of like really random, just because I didn't have anything to film. Like, I just didn't have any inspiration for anything, so I like filmed when I got like my foster dog, which I mean in hindsight was kind of a good idea because you know, who doesn't love puppies? And then now I get to like look back on this and like remember him and remember that I gave him away to some random person and I'll never know if he's fine or how he's doing ever again. But overall, like, it's I guess a good way to like remember him, I guess. But yeah, what I realized is that my channel gets a lot of views for like my makeup and fashion videos. You guys don't really like care about my life, but hey, if you're watching a get ready with me, you should know that it's going to be talking about my life, so joke's on you. I found a way to incorporate me ranting and content that you guys apparently want to see into one video, so tricked ya. If you're wondering, I'm doing well. I had almost 3 mental breakdowns this week, which is fun. Only really had one full-blown mental breakdown. The rest weren't really like full-blown like, oh my god, I'm having a mental breakdown. It was just kind of like me being like crying a little tiny tears. Me like debating whether I'm gonna have a mental breakdown or not. But I only had one real mental breakdown. I was in my room like crying for 6 hours. So that was fun. It's been a good time. So that's what my life has come down to. Me having a breakdown like every second day. Because honestly, life is just like, I get it, I'm a white girl, privileged, I have money, I have parents who, well, kind of parents who love me, so I really have like nothing to complain about. But I mean, of course, I'm still gonna find something to complain about because I'm a privileged white teenage girl. I mean, wow, this looks really creepy when I'm like up close to the camera. Oh, I don't know what to do now that I only got one in. I've canceled like 6 plans in the past 6 days because of stress. So right now I'm trying this thing where it said you can make your own scar wax if you mix Vaseline and flour. This DIY is a DI don't. And that was all over my counter. Okay, I'm back. That was a disaster. Okay, slightly change of plans. So I decided that I'm just gonna do a half face. I'm gonna do this. Oh, okay, well, I'll show you the picture up here, but I'm gonna do like the sunny half, I think. Anyways, it starts off with like the teeth and stuff first anyways, so I'm gonna go for that. I lost my one makeup palette that had like all my colors in it. That's really great for me. Like, I love that for me. I'm just gonna go for it. Yep. Yeah, that looks good. So anyways, what I was talking about before is basically my whole posting however many times a week, whatever I said. Yeah, that's a lot. I'm not gonna be doing that anymore. It's just way too much work. And like, I just don't have the time for that right now. I'm just such a busy person. A lot of things I need to decide, like, am I going to school? Do I even want to go to school? I was kind of just trying to mass produce videos, and clearly it was not going that well because you guys, the views went down a lot. And I mean, like, that's totally fair. Like, I'm not mad. So I decided from now on I'm just gonna be filming when I really want to. Better for everyone, because it's better for me, because then I don't have to film when I don't want to, and you guys are getting content that's actually good and not like terrible. Y'all do that thing when you're really sad, you just listen to sad music and make yourself even more sad? Or is that just a me thing? This looks so stupid. Don't worry, Addie. I don't have this much room for all these details. My face is too small. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm just gonna do a little bit more off camera just because it's kind of boring for you guys to just watch this. So, also my battery's dying, so I'm just gonna charge that while I'm doing like a little bit more, and then when I'm doing the detail work, come back and talk to you because it's kind of boring because I'm not really talking because I'm focused on the makeup. So BRB. Ugh, I shouldn't have broke my camera. This really sucks. Did a little bit more detail work. I'm adding in like orange now, and I know it looks like super ratchet right now, but we gotta blend it out. We will blend it out, trust me. Oh frick, let's blend. Okay, cool. This looks so bad in my mirror. I'm like, oh damn bitch, you really did that. And then I look at it in like viewfinder and I'm like, oh, hello? What?
What's your opinion?
Dude, look, that's what I said! Fiction! No, I think
She won't
it's a
put
get
me
ready with
naked.
me.
She won't put me naked. in
You're not
this one.
naked, so it's okay, I'll put it in. This is what happens when I get ready.
This is really true. I just.
Look at this.
So just for
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Come
so
over.
You guys are gonna help me out.
Yeah,
Okay,
come
let's
over.
check on-
put my base on and see what you can do.
Okay. So yeah, that's kind of like what happens every time I try to get ready. Is my sister comes into my room, and I'm not mad about it. Like, she's very entertaining. She was actually the one who wanted to be a YouTuber originally. She was like, I want to move to LA and be famous. Oh. So I mean, honestly, I think she could do it. If you guys think she should do it, like, hit her up. Oh my god, how am I gonna drink if I have this all over my face? Basically, I'm a one-hit wonder. My last year's video for the clown makeup, bumpin', like, for real. Everyone is commenting on it, everyone's subscribing to me. I don't think they realize that I'm not as talented as I was last year, so it's about to be really awkward for all the new subscribers. I'm sorry you didn't know that my video or my channel has gone downhill a little bit, but I mean, if you want to stay, like, feel free. If I just wear something like super slutty, I think it'll work. Once again, battery's low again. I'm just keep like charging it for like 7 minutes and then re-putting it in and trying, so. Okay, BRB. Alrighty, here's my little like 7-minute check-in. Oh, okay, so I decided to go, I added a little more colors. So I added like green, blue, purple. Oh my gosh, it looks so bad. Anyhow, I'm gonna blend it out a lot more. I am struggling in life. I don't know if this is working or not. Like it kind of, from far away, it kind of looks okay. Kind of looks cool. And like the right side looking G, this side trashy. So I don't know if I fixed it or not. I added like highlight and stuff. I don't know if I should go like this. Should I go like this?
I think, yeah.
The party.
Can you do something cool with mine? Like, I feel like boring.
Okay, hold on. I just want to say, adding in white made it look 100 times better. Like, how it looked before versus how it looks right now is totally different.
I think I'm gonna go with this now.
I don't know. Can you come tell me if this looks good or not, or if I should just go as like a clown? Oh shit.
Let me see.
Let's see.
Oh dang, she's scary.
That looks so good.
That does
I don't
look
know.
really good.
Like, I was trying to copy
Let's
this,
see.
like 2 different pictures.
No,
and
I like
neither of them
it.
were like, it didn't work out like either.
Like, it looks really good.
I have a contact lens in too on that eye.
No, it looks really good.
Should I keep it or should I? Yeah. I was gonna just do like a little like spooky.
No,
fairy.
just leave it.
Yeah.
I need
your
opinion on something too.
I don't know what to wear.
I need your opinion on something.
All
with
black.
All black. Wear something sexy. Wear something scandalous. Ooh, did she just make a bop? A full-on bop?
My keys got stuck.
Oh.
Got stuck.
Mm.
My keys got stuck.
Mm. But like half skull. I only wanted to do half my face, so then I can still like drink out of this side of my mouth. Okay, I'm gonna go. I don't know. I'm gonna do Jessie's makeup. Maybe I'll show you what I did on her. My whole face is gonna be one pimple, so be ready for that. So I just finished her makeup. So it's like basically a red smoky eye with liner. I actually did liner on her. I took one try and I did it like perfect.
Because I have nicely shaped eyes.
So we're pretty much ready for Halloween. You could literally wear anything you want with this, right? So like, ho ho ho, it's Halloween, you know? Hello, I found my outfit. It's got fishnets. She's got her wings on. I tried to go with a little scandalous here, and I curled my hair and put it into like little like half pigtail things. And she's a little angel, but she's dark. Yeah. She's a dark angel. Okay.
See ya.
Happy Halloween.
I contemplated premeditated murder. And I'm thinking about killing myself, and I love myself way more than I love you, so.
Oh, I just looked at your camera. You know what I'm thinking?
Oh no, I could do you proper. Every stupid boy think that I need him. Stupid boy think that I need.